A leading German economist has said China's development success in recent decades has benefited foreign companies, and its vast market continues to hold promise for European firms.
I think for the opening up of China and the huge success of Chinese development, let's say the amazing success in the last 45 years or so, was also great for the foreign companies. They make a very good business, they make a lot of revenues. So that was a great opportunity for the world economy, but also for European companies. Now for foreign companies, China as a sales market with the huge, well-funded middle class who can spend money has become more important.
Lo Xiao said China's innovative power is a growth driver of the economy.
On top of that, also the innovative power of China is very much important now for European and German companies. I think especially the digital economy of China make also already a great momentum in the last 10 to 20 years even. And of course, green production, environmental friendly production and the force is also of course very much important. And this transformation to a more green economy could be another growth driver for China's economy. I fully agree with this statement.